Ready to clean your shutters? We'll show you how. The best way to keep your shutters looking good is to dust the louvres regularly with a feather duster or a clean, dry cloth. A soft, clean toothbrush is ideal for removing dust from around the hinges. Once you've finished dusting, close the slats and wipe downwards using a microfibre cloth to reduce dust build-up. You can also vacuum clean your shutters using the soft upholstery brush attachment. For more stubborn marks, just rub lightly with a damp cloth. For waterproof shutters like these, you can use a mild detergent, but don't use any chemical cleaning products or excessive moisture on wooden shutters, as this may lead to warping or damage the colour. Once the stain has lifted, wipe away any excess moisture with a clean, dry cloth. And that's it! Job done! Happy cleaning!